Welcome back to another episode of Halami Podcast, a podcast that has been released over the past 3 months, where curiosity meets creativity and every thought becomes a spark. I am your host, and today we dive a little deeper how did Somaliland evolve into a place where unemployment, inflation, corruption, and threat of instability. We're trying to talk about a very critical, important things that why and what is the main root causing all of these things. The previous episode we talked about the youth of Somaliland, their voice wasn't being heard, and this episode we trying to unveil lots of roots that causing numerous challenges that Somali youth they just facing. Unemployment standing as one of the most pressing challenges in Somaliland today. Many people, especially young graduates, cannot find jobs that match their skills or education. Another factor which plays very pivotal role is education mismatch. Schools and universities focus too much on theory and not enough on practical or technical training. As a result, many young people finish schools but a lack of skills that employers need. And the next point is weak economy. Most of Somaliland's economy depending on livestock and small trade. There are not enough industries like manufacturing, technology, or services to create more jobs. The third point, which also plays pivotal, is poor infrastructure problems such as unreliable electricity, limited water, and bad roads make it harder for business to grow and create more employment. Fourth, which is very important, is the lack of recognition because Somaliland is not internationally recognized. It cannot attract much foreign investment or global support, which limits job opportunities. The thing that I talked about is exactly what led lots of my friends to went to different countries around the world. Migration is becoming common nowadays, especially here in Somaliland, when their voice is not being heard, and not only that but also an opportunity to get a work, the chance are rare. That's what gets most of them trying to migrate to another country despite their putting themselves on risky, taking small boats across the channels and trying to get into UK. This guy was Abbas, and the next episode is going to be what is the solution. See you next time. It's been a pleasure for me. We came to the conclusion, and I have to say, God bless you. Peace out. See you the next episode.